Hi guys, welcome to the Tapasas classes. In previous lecture, we completed how to find the adjoint of matrix. Today we start to learn new topic, inverse of matrix by adjoint method. To find the inverse of matrix, first of all we have to recall some formulas like determinant of matrix. To find the determinant of matrix, the formula is a11 into cofactor of a11 plus a12 into cofactor of a12 plus a13 into cofactor of a13. पुन्हा एकदा फॉर्म्युला नीट बघून घ्या. बघा डिटर्मिनला फाइंड करायचा अजून एक फॉर्म्युला आहे, परंतु हा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला तरी सुद्धा चालेल. Let's start to learn how do you find the inverse of matrix by adjoint method. For example, we take the matrix of 3 by 3 order and we find the inverse of that matrix by adjoint method. In previous class, we already learned one formula to find the inverse of matrix आणि तोच फॉर्म्युला आपण सर्व स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्ससाठी यूज करतो. फॉर्म्युला असा होता ए इन्वर्स विच इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ ए इंटू ॲडजॉइंट ऑफ ए. इथे कोणत्याच प्रकारचं इलेमेंटरी ऑपरेशन यूज केलं जात नाही, फक्त एक कंडिशन असते ती अशी की डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ ए डज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. याचाच अर्थ काय की 1 अपॉन हा जो डिनॉमिनेटर आहे हा कधीही 0 नसतो, परंतु इन कंडिशन जर डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ ए 0 असेल याचा अर्थ काय, द इन्वर्स ऑफ दॅट मॅट्रिक्स डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट. Let's start to find the inverse of matrix A by adjoint method. First of all, we find the determinant of A. लेक्चर स्टार्ट होण्या अगोदर जो फॉर्म्युला सांगितला होता त्याच फॉर्म्युलाने सॉल्व करणार. Therefore, determinant of A which is equals to a11 into cofactor of a11 means 2 into cofactor of 2 means 2 into 1 into 0 minus 2 into 1. Then next one plus a12 into cofactor of a12 means minus 1 into cofactor of minus 1. Then next one a13 into cofactor of a13 means 0 into cofactor of 0, but 0 into anything your answer is 0, therefore we write like that 0 into, and this is your determinant of A. By solving it we get 2 into 1 into 0, your answer is 0, minus 2 into 1 2, 0 minus 2 which is equals to minus 2, 2 into minus 2, your answer become a minus 4. Then next one in second row minus minus plus means minus 1 into minus plus 1, 0 into 0 0, minus 2 into 1 2, minus 2 into plus 1, your answer is minus 2, and 0 into anything 0, therefore your final answer is minus 4 minus 2 which is equals to minus 6. It means that determinant of A which is equals to minus 6 does not equals to 0 means the given matrix is non-singular or its inverse exists. Let's start to find the adjoint of A. To find the adjoint of A, first of all we have to find the cofactor of each and every element from the given matrix and then find its transfer, then we get the adjoint of A. Let's start to find the cofactor of each and every element. First of all we find the cofactor of 2, therefore cofactor of 2 which is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into its minor. How to find its minor? By excluding the elements from its row and column आणि बाकी उरलेल्या एलिमेंट्सचा डिटर्मिनंट काढणार. काय मिळणार आपल्याला 1 into 0 into 1 0, 2 into 1 2 means 1 into 0 minus 2 which is equals to minus 2 means cofactor of 2 is minus 2. Similarly we find the cofactor of minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into minor of minus 1. It means that 0 into 0 minus 2 into 1. Therefore your final answer is, or the cofactor of minus 1 is 2. Similarly we find the cofactor of 0 that is minus 1. सेम ह्याच वेळेने आपण काय करणार, बाकी उरलेल्या 6 एलिमेंटचे कोफॅक्टर सुद्धा फाइंड आउट करणार. जर सेम त्याच वेळेने तुम्ही जर कोफॅक्टर फाइंड आउट केले असतील तर तुमचे आन्सर आले असतील 0 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 and 2. दिस इज युअर कोफॅक्टर मॅट्रिक्स. आता आपण याचा ट्रान्सपोज फाइंड आउट करणार. ट्रान्सपोज कसं काढता तुम्हाला माहिती, बाय इंटरचेंजिंग द रोज अँड कॉलम्स. फर्स्ट रो बिकम अ फर्स्ट कॉलम that is a -2 2 -1. Second row become a second column that is 0 0 -3, and third row become a third column that is a -2 -4 and 2. Now we have the determinant of A and adjoint of A as well. Therefore we move to find the inverse of A. Therefore A inverse which is equals to 1 upon determinant of A, but determinant of A which is equals to -6, therefore 1 upon -6 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is -2 0 -2 2 0 -4 -1 -3 2. To find the A inverse we have to multiply the 1 upon -6 to each and every element to the adjoint of A. Therefore 1 upon -6 into -2 we get 1 upon 3. Then next one 1 upon -6 into 0 we get a 0. Similarly 1 upon -6 into -2 we again get a 1 upon 3. आणि सेम ह्याच वेळेने आपण बाकी उरलेले 6 एलिमेंट सुद्धा काय करणार, फाइंड आउट करणार. To find a remaining element, we have to multiply the each and every element by the -1/6 or the 1/-6. जर तुम्ही प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला 1/-6 जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर तुमचे आन्सर पुढील प्रमाणे येतील, म्हणजेच -1/3 0, 2/3 1/6 1/2 आणि -1/3. दिस इज युअर फायनल आन्सर और द इनवर्स ऑफ अ मॅट्रिक्स ए बाय एडजॉइंट मेथड. एक गोष्ट नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा की इनवर्स बाय एडजॉइंट मेथड इज स्टील फास्टर दॅन इलेमेंटरी ऑपरेशन. आणि इथेच तुमचं लेक्चर संपतं आहे. फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवा, ए इनवर्स विच इज इक्वल्स टू 1/determinant of A into adjoint of A. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Keep learning. Keep watching.